I'm so glad that I found the sanctuary, or it found me. I can't remember how that exactly happened. It was synchronous. And the reason I am so honored to be a part of Sanctuary is that there's very, very high integrity at Sanctuary. Everything about the program, from the time people call in and speak with someone about a possible admission, to the intake process, to engaging in all the treatments, groups, sessions that are offered, has very high integrity. And by that I mean that everything is integrated in a way that patients, residents feel like they're being very well cared for. Everybody knows what they're doing. There's never, or very rarely, any real confusion going on about someone's treatment plan. Everybody gets an individualized approach. And what I've been very impressed with is that even when people come in skeptical, frightened, terrified even to be in treatment, knowing that they've made a commitment to come for 30 days. Some people stay longer. Within a few days, I'm always impressed with how little time it takes for people to not only adjust, but actually feel comfortable, feel safe, feel ready. Even when they thought there was no way they could possibly be ready for the experience. They get ready very quickly, and I think that is that's a rare event for people to be in any kind of treatment place and be able to let their guard down. And it's the exact opposite. Sanctuary is the exact opposite of what I think of as sort of corporate boilerplate type of treatment that most people get when they go into just the standard treatment center, which is often very programmed with elements that are the same for every single patient. Everybody goes to the same group and to the same individual therapist, and there's no variation or honoring of how people are different. So I think the Sanctuary does an outstanding job of doing that, of honoring each person's needs and of being able to help them feel comfortable right away and open to change.